After a long era, Chevrolet finally brought something new to the shores of India, and that is Chevrolet Spark Limited Edition. Priced from Rs 3.61 lakhs to 4.19 lakhs at showroom Mumbai, this limited small car of Chevy is a boast of cosmetic changes on outers as well as interiors. Naming the tweaks, they are the twin-port grille, clear lens headlamps, dual-tone front and rear bumpers, limited edition badging at the rear, and an external chrome kit that includes chrome accents on the grille and a sporty chrome surrounds for fog lamp bezels. It also gets graphics on the side in a choice of 2 colors. On the interiors, the limited edition car gets a steering wheel cover, footwell lighting, beige seat covers along with red stripes. It also gets a wing-inspired instrument cluster with a combination of analog and digital displays. Made available in 7 colors, the Chevrolet Spark Limited Edition retains the same 1.0-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, good for 63 furthest torque and 90.3 Nm of peak torque. Good for money value, but we'll have to see what effects it can have on Maruti Celerio.